what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on a car, please help me subscribe, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys be updated. But I'm working on a 2015 Mazda 3, the 2.0 liter. This has the same engine as the Toyota IA, so I'm doing the oil change service on this. So the Toyota and the Mazda shares the same engine, so it would be the same oil reset. On the bottom, you're gonna take out this cover right here. There's 2 bolts and 1 clip. After you get the cover out, I already got this out. There you go. Let it drain. Oil's kind of dirty. Now everything is completely drained out. My new oil filter, I put a little bit of oil so it sits a little bit better. Just hand tighten, not too crazy. There you go. And usually the bolt is I believe it's a hex, but someone replaced the bolt. So there you go. And then wipe your mess. And then just put the cover back. That's it. The oil, it takes 0.20, so I'm putting 0.20 full synthetic right here. And I believe it takes 4.5 quarts. Put in 4.5 quarts. Now I'm gonna check it again. Oh. So you can see the mark is a little bit over the high mark, but the oil filter is gonna take some, so it's gonna be down to full mark, so it'll be perfect. I'm gonna show you how to reset the light. Now I'm gonna have key on. There you go, that's key on. And you can see the wrench, that's for the maintenance. And now I'm gonna toggle through the menu right there, application, and then you're gonna go to maintenance right there where the wrench is, so you can see. There you go. Now I'm gonna go to oil change, reset. There you go, you can see it's reset to 5,000 miles. Go back. I'm gonna reset the tire too, or you can turn it off if you don't want it to be on. It's already reset, and then the schedule maintenance is also reset. 5,000 miles. There you go. Back. I'm gonna turn it off. Turn it back on. The wrench should be gone. There you go. So it's just a oil reset for this car, guys. Toyota IA and Mazda 3 has the same engine, so it would be the same reset procedure. But that is it for this video, guys. If you're new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.